So we're back with Dean, and I thought it would be great to show you some of his wonderful pieces. And Janet here, you seem to be a fan. Look at the beautiful ring that Dean designed. And Dean, what is this? What's the...
So this is from my brushed high polish collection.
Okay.
So it's 18 karat vermeil, it's gold on top of sterling silver, and I've combined the brush finish with the high polish.
It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's classic, but it's funky, it suits you, and your earrings are a great compliment. And then we have here, look at these unbelievable hoops, and they are the summer's must-have earring. Says who?
American Vogue.
American Vogue. You have it right here on the patio, out in the middle of the woods, right here. So we are high-fiving fashion with you, Dean. And look at all of the beautiful pieces. He has great sterling silver brushed. That's your signature, isn't it?
The brush finish. We've got a lot of attention in the American market because of my brush finish. It's very unique, and there's nobody doing like a really heavy brush finish like this. So.
And this piece that will be in my closet later tonight, it's beautiful because the design, the chain work is great. Plus, they can be worn alone separately, so you have a chain and a pendant. So you know what? We're just happy to have Dean here, all the way from Toronto. Thank